She was different. Do you know what she used to tell me? You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. And you can dig up all those flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it, and you can chivvy your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So Ducky, let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it, and you can toy with your tug before the lunch. You can play with your food like bite it. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, down in the mud, take us to go back to the shallows. Then maybe if there's time, go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say the cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.